So first of all, what I would like to say to everyone is you have to come to Budapest. Budapest is a great city. I'm here already 3 times and I think that I will be here next year at least for once. The event is amazing. You don't have to miss it. Thank you very much for your kind invitation. My name is Alexandru Gliga. I'm an endodontist from Bucharest, Romania. And I work in my private practice in Bucharest, and I'm also a PhD student, and I'm also teaching at the Siena University in Italy. My lecture was about how to manage difficult endodontic clinical situations. The lecture was about 1 hour and a half. It was amazing. I feel grateful and humble for the fact that at 10 a.m. this morning, it was full house, so all the seats were occupied. That was amazing. The feeling was fantastic for having such a beautiful hall, such a beautiful place to lecture. And the people were very interactive. They were very attentive, paying attention to everything that I was trying to explain them. And Gergely, of course, my moderator, my friend and my host, was doing an amazing job as always. So I felt amazing. I think that your guys are doing an amazing job. Having both the expo and the congress at the same time brings not only dentists and people interested in the scientific part, but also people that want to know what's new, what's launched this year, what comes out of the business-to-business interaction. So distributors, local distributors, producers, and all the networking within our business can be easily done in a place like this. So first of all, what I would like to say to everyone is you have to come to Budapest. Budapest is a great city. I'm here already 3 times and I think that I will be here next year at least for once. The event is amazing. You don't have to miss it. If there was no chance for you to be here this year, next year you have to be, because the expo is amazing, the lectures are amazing, and the city is absolutely beautiful. Come to DentalWorld Congress.